Breezway is Australia's top manufacturer of Altair louver windows, designed to open wide to let in fresh air and create naturally comfortable spaces. Trusted for 85 years, our innovative louver windows bring style, ventilation, and performance to every building. Breezway has built a trusted network of sales representation across Australia and New Zealand, who are ready to help you find the perfect louver window solution for your project.
Hi, my name's Warren Ganaway. I'm the BDM for Breezway, looking after West Australia, Northern Territory. I've been with Breezway for 12 years now, and I've spent all my life in the building industry. I'm a glazier by trade. The audience or the people I target mainly are specifiers, building designers, people like that. I also work with builders and fabricators, help them out with their projects, any kind of installation or product issues. Ways I can improve your business mainly is around specification. Means that all the stakeholders know exactly what's going into the project, price-wise, quality-wise, things like that. So please give me a call if you need.
Our award-winning Altair louvers fully comply with the Australian standards for windows and buildings. We offer a wide range of customising options, including various colours, sizes, security features, home automation, and double glazing. Our focus is to ensure that you receive the most suitable product, perfectly aligned with the requirements of your project.
Hi there, my name is Bradley Mead. I'm the Area Manager for Breezway in the Northern Territory. I look after all of the architects, fabricators and distributors in the NT, as far down from Darwin, as far down as Alice Springs. I've been with Breezway for a little over 20 years now. My experience has been with Breezway in the building industry. If you need some help with your drawings, with your design work, I am more than happy to help out. Please reach out via email, phone or social media. Thank you.
Our team is focused on continuous product innovation and improvements. With a NADA accredited testing facility on site, we have conducted thousands of tests to ensure our product not only meets but exceeds building code compliance and industry standards.
Hi, my name's Gavin and I'm the Area Manager for Breezway Australia. I look after the areas between Cairns and Mackay and Townsville in between. Some of my main customers are the specifiers of louver products, or your architects and your building designers. The way I can help them is with compliance and also helping to write specifications. Some of my other customers are the distributor network we have in the north, and again we help with compliance and specification. And lastly but not least, we also have the fabricators. We are there constantly to help with ordering and also to help with specification and compliance requirements also. Please do not ever hesitate to call me if you ever need any help with your louver needs.